And that's one of the lessons that I want to talk about today is celebrating our wins, acknowledging our wins, looking at our wins, focusing on our wins, right? What is wrong is always available to us. Not only is it always available to us, it's usually beating us up, slapping us in the face, knocking on the door, calling us on the phone, and all the things. We've got this 2 million-year-old reptilian brain that is always looking for a problem. We've got the ego that's always looking for a problem, comparing us to other people, and they're always there, right? So, like, they're always there. So, we need to condition ourselves, train ourselves to look for and acknowledge the wins, right? We have successes every day or every week. We have them every day. I want us to look for them every day. And by ignoring them, two things happen. One, we're training our brain that good things don't matter, right? They're not, that what we're doing, that our successes don't matter, they're unimportant, they're not exciting, they're irrelevant. So we can just ignore them. And then the second thing is that leads to overall dissatisfaction because nothing is good. Nothing is a win, nothing is success. We're always focused on the problem, the drama, the issue.